Right.
All right, so here goes the meat some more. But I would not be using these turkey meat no more from the meat store. I really don't care for it, but I gotta have that Crystal hot sauce. My auntie Chris Richardson, she loved this hot sauce. She always kept it in her purse. But I ain't gonna keep mine in my purse because I really don't eat hot, spicy stuff like that no more. So I just wanted to taste the Crystal hot sauce, and I wanted to think about my auntie Chris, because when she passed away, I wasn't on good terms with her because she cussed me out because of my auntie Sean wanted me to let her have a funeral for my mom and bury my mom, but my mom wanted to be cremated, and I know that kind of hurt auntie Chris because that's her niece, but I was only doing what my mom wanted me to do. But I love auntie Chris. She always sent me birthday cards, always called me, sung me happy birthday, sent me $25 for my birthday, and just for her to pass away